Hello everyone, Dr. Avinash Yadav this side, and today we will treat a patient with fracture central incisor. The fracture involved both dentin and enamel, which is basically a class 2 LA's classification of tooth trauma. Now have a look on the fracture amount of the tooth. Look, this is the amount of tooth structure lost. Now we will etch the tooth and adapt wax sheet, or you can use putty impression and bend to separate tooth from the another tooth. Now we will apply dentin bonding agent and composite. Now we will cure the composite with UV light. After curing, this is what it look like. Now we will do finishing and polishing by using finishing cups and finishing brush. Look, this is the fully restored and finished and polished central incisor. Now have a look on the finally restored central incisor and the smile of the patient regained. And at last, thanks for watching.